And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Murthy. Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy needs no introduction. The man who founded that remarkable globalizer Infosys will tell us about how India Inc. can make the next big league. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome on stage none other than the living IT legend himself, Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy.
First of all, thanks to Economic Times and Airtel for this opportunity. If we have to indeed create an India of which our founding fathers can be proud of, we have to do a certain things. One, we have to create a peaceful and harmonious society. To do that, we have to embrace the democracy that has 4 freedoms as enunciated by President Roosevelt. Freedom of speech, freedom of worship or faith, freedom from fear, and freedom from want. If we want to make India economically strong, we have to accept that the only way we can solve the problem of poverty is through creation of jobs by entrepreneurs and industrialists, both Indian and foreign. Therefore, we have to ensure that the friction to business is reduced to 0 for these people. Second, we have to collect as much tax as possible by introducing easy to understand, easy to comply with, hassle-free and corruption-free tax system. It has to be a tax system, or for that matter, we should not have any public governance rules that will be changed on a retrospective basis. That is a sure suicide for the country. Third, I think this tax money has to be used very efficiently so that the basic needs of the poorest of the poor, education, healthcare, nutrition, and shelter, is enhanced. And that infrastructure is built, that Jayan talked about, infrastructure is built so that we can accelerate our growth rate. Finally, I would say that we have to realize that just as skills are very, very important, the future of this country depends on our ability to enhance the power of human mind. And that's going to happen only by higher education system. And there we have to ensure that we provide complete autonomy to our higher educational systems. We become more and more open-minded to welcome intellectuals from India and outside and create a platform for exchange with these people. Folks, I don't want to take more time. Thank you very much for this kindness. Take care.
Thank you, Mr. Murthy, for those wonderfully illuminating words.